Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube.
So guys, another auction buy. We're gonna need 2 tires at least and maybe some wheel nuts. She's a rough, but she's diesel. She's not looking too bad. Alcantara seats, inserts or whatever. All black, real gangster. Welcome to the new toy. This is today. I only received delivery, so let's see what. So first step, there's some missing nuts, some more missing nuts. Oh, nice big scratch. I don't care about the scratch. We've got the spare wheel and some more missing nuts. This tire is also, it's a 245, where these two are 265s. 265. This one's a 265, and then the broken one is also a 265, but it's got a massive fucking hole there.
What?
First things first, we need to perform a full diagnostic on the taillights to ensure everything is street legal. Checking the rear now. The brake lights are responding perfectly, and the running lights are nice and bright. Moving on, the fog light kicks in exactly as it should, and both reverse lights are fully functional. Finally, we'll check the indicators, and those are flashing, clear, and steady.
So guys, these indicators, they do not, this one doesn't work. So I bought the new one, and then if you look at this one, it's missing the plastic cover. It's very exposed. This one works though, but it hasn't got the cover, that the protector layer or something. So I bought new indicators. It's gonna all make the whole mirror black, so we'll see what it looks like when it's done. I'm not too fond of chrome.
What?
And now we've got mirrors that looks like this, and both sides shall be working. So no more chrome, all blacked out. I think it looks lekker. Kyk hier so, blokkie taxi's die fucking pad. En hierdie naai voor my stop fucking net so. Almal fucking blokkie pad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 taxis in 'n ry blokkie pad. And again we've got a full house. She's sold, waiting for her to go. She's my bestest baby. That will be the boys' car when we need to pick up VIPs. These two here. My car is dead. I got here this morning and there's no lights coming on. It seems like there's a dead short. I disconnected the battery. Well, I'd first tried to charge it. Didn't even want to charge. Disconnected the battery. At least now it's taking charge. I tried to jump it with that car. Still no go. But now I need to move her to get her out. To get anything out, I need to move this thing. Help! So thank you guys if you've made it this far. thank you very much. I hope you guys smash the subscribe button and the like button. This feels very awkward. Share this. Share this video. So about 6 months of ownership now, no less, 4 months of ownership. We've test driven, we've put on about 5,000 kilometers, and yeah, everything wrong with this car. The battery freaked out, that was completely dead. Ended up us buying a new battery at mega price because it was on a Sunday evening. And because I tried to jump start the car, the computer freaked out, so I had to like hard reset it. The hard reset helped for us to at least get it started with the new battery. Action.
Cut.
Tell me when I can start talking. Cut means finished. Done.
Oh.
Action means go. So furthermore, driving the vehicle, the brakes are squeaky as hell. The suspension is making a hell of a noise. For some reason the number plate light keeps on popping. There's a bit of an oil leak. It looks like it's coming from the oil cooler. I think it's mounted in the V of the engine, so that's gonna be quite a big job. The front shocks, they are losing air. I'm not sure if it's just the one or the other, but it also seems like there's a noise coming from the actual shock. The tie rod ends and those joints are finished. The upper control arm bushes and joint is finished. The control arm, the bushes mounting the control arm, they finished, and then also the link arms between the control arm and the shock, they are done. It seems like the previous owner didn't really take much care of this car. Okay, so the power in the car is quite good. If you show the front, you can see it pulls quite lekker. Sound, I don't know, it sounds like a V6. Okay, so guys, we did the first service. We didn't flush it. We just changed the oil and the filters. So it's got 2 air filters and an oil filter. That's all I did. I don't think I changed that filter. I can't remember. But in any case, on inspection, we found the intake manifold broken. You'll see here it's all messed up. So it wasn't sealing here. A new intake from Mecedes would have cost me 10,000 rand. So we went to Timo and we bought a replacement part. Plugged it in and it worked lekker. The car started quick, no issues. 2 months later, I'm getting errors. And we found these oxygen, these O2 sensors, ooh, fucked up. So all I did was I took the Mecedes oxygen sensors out and I swapped them with into the Timo part, and we're winning again. And then also, while we were on Timo, we had to buy this shelf cover thingy. Look after, I can't remember what it's called. So now there's a little shelf cover so we can hide shit in the back. And we also changed the PCV valve. Easy fix, sits in the back, 2 or 3 screws out, new one in. Lekker. So that is it, guys. Stay tuned. We're gonna sort out this suspension issue. For some reason, when I put the suspension on its lowest, the air kind of drops overnight. It goes all low. But if I put it on the first setting, it seems to keep its air in. And then we've got some other products coming our way soon. That is it. Cheers, till next time. Bye.